What's the station that plays boatloads of New Mexico's finest rock, even in the morning? What's the station that has Erica Viking to wake up to? What's the station? Simple. Coyote 102.5.
What with the hot lights? Really, can we get like an air conditioner in here? I'm not a star. We don't need the bright lights, okay? I could do this from the other room and people would care just as much. I'm Erica Viking with Coyote TV.
I don't have a problem with it at all. Big Benny, how are you?
I was like, it's hot. Let's just get this over with. Oh my God, I think the reason that I'm hot actually is because we have the hottest show ever coming up for you tomorrow morning. We did the promo. We just ran down the list of everything that we have to do. We're going to have Ty Murray, international bull riding star for the Ty Murray Invitational and PBR, coming to the pit this weekend. He's going to be in studio today or tomorrow doing a live interview.
Yeah, and we've got tickets to it too. You want to go? We don't have one. We don't have two. We don't have three. Count them. 4 pairs of tickets for the PBR Ty Murray Invitational.
Yes, we
At
do.
the pit. Come on.
Oh, and also maybe you guys have heard of this little tour called The Tour with Kiss and Motley Crue. Gene Simmons and Tommy Lee, 2 of our idols, on the air with us tomorrow morning.
Yeah, maybe we're going to talk to Tommy Lee about what kind of acrobatics he'll be doing. Maybe Erica will be asking Gene about, I don't know, an incident back in the day, maybe.
When he tried to accost me in Boston. Yeah, it went down, and I am going to ask him about it. And we've also got REO Speedwagon, Styx, Ted Nugent tickets to give away.
Yeah, it's our show. Coyote 102.5 presents the Midwest Rock and Roll Express Tour. Going to have tickets for that. Pink Floyd Experience, Southwest Muscle Car Nationals. What else?
There's
I don't
one
know.
little thing we forgot. Let's just back up because everyone's watching this waiting for it. Kiss and Motley Crue. Yeah, we'll have a pair of those tickets too.
Yeah.
And it's time for me to tell you what the Hard Rock Pavilion secret word of the day is going to be tomorrow. My boss comes up with these. Do not shoot the messenger.
All right.
Okay?
What do you got?
It's a word that makes me sick even to say it. Pleather.
Pleather.
You know what pleather is. It's the fake sticky vinyl leather that you put it on and you start sweating like instantly.
Okay, I was about to say, I don't know what it is. But...
That's a great price on a leather jacket, and you get closer and it's $13.95. That's why, because it's pleather, the grossest fabric in the world.
I've seen it at the flea market.
Yes, you have.
They sell it there at the swap meet.
Yes.
Ah, okay, I got you. I know
That's
what you're talking
exactly. And just please don't ever buy any for your wife or your daughter.
No, I would never own
It's not
any
attractive.
of that stuff.
They would give it back anyway. So it all begins tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Tons of prizes, tons of concert tickets for you to go qualified for, and lots of star entertainment too with Ty Murray, Gene Simmons, and Tommy Lee. It all begins.
That many in the morning.
Did you learn that at the flea market too?
6 is what I learned at the flea market, not 6.
There you go. Tomorrow morning, 6 a.m.